If you want to close your OneDrive account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure that your data is handled properly and your account is deleted. Step 1. Backup your files. Before closing your OneDrive account, make sure to download and back up any important files you have stored in your OneDrive. This ensures you do not lose any data you may need in the future. Step 2. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the OneDrive website and sign in with the Microsoft account associated with your OneDrive. This will allow you to access your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to navigate to your account settings. Step 4. Find the option to close your account. In your account settings, look for the Security or Privacy section. Here, you should find an option that says Close your account or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Follow the closure instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the closure of your OneDrive account. You may need to verify your identity and acknowledge that you understand the consequences of closing your account. After completing these steps, your OneDrive account will be closed. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation or additional information regarding the closure.